Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to the channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking those videos, then you can go and hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who wants additional services or training from me, you can WhatsApp my customer care team to know what are the different services provided. So you can WhatsApp only to 7892652481. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can go and click the link in the video description and open your account. So it's the latest video. You can just go and see in my video section. So we have a free trading account opening offer right now. So open your account and be part of my Telegram channel, or refer your friends to open through our link, and then you can also be part of our Telegram channel. And if not, you can open your account in Zerodha, then also you'll be part of our Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with our live trading video which we have recorded. So I've just taken a small trade, a very small trade in Zeal. Okay, so for almost 10,000 quantity, sorry, 10,000 amount. All right, and I was basically explaining the same to our Telegram members also. That is secret Telegram channel only. So so first is Zeal continues to the upside from yesterday due to mixed reasons, even in negative market. Keep an eye on it. So I just told them, and then immediately I just wrote an explanation. So when you get such stocks which are moving up, entry points are important. Currently from overbought zone, it's getting down, and its super trend sell hits, it will get more down. So basically I'm just telling them, in this area here, if Zeal hits the super trend red, it will get down little bit down. Okay, so from there, after going down, later it will go towards hitting a green super trend. So that is when traders has to take advantage. Okay, and then Nifty is down, already down, so Nifty has a chance to recover at least little, halfway to hit super trend, or it can hit super trend also. It's more advantage for the buying side stock, because selling side stocks are getting reversed little bit, because Nifty is recovering as per technicals. And later on, when Nifty recovered, you see here, Nifty went till the super trend. It didn't hit exactly, but still it went till super trend. Most of our stocks got advantage. So now let's say Zeal from this level 352, it has gone up to close to 356. Now it has already hit super trend also. And if you see iBull also, from this point it has got a spike. So that is one advantage. So we normally observe and learn only. It's basically for learning. So currently, if you see, Zeal is around 356.25, almost 1% above our level. So if you see, finally it has hit a super trend. Now there is no much guarantee that it can continue up or not, but maybe overall for the day it can go up. Like, stocks will not go just one side up. It will go up and down, but overall it can go up. But considering now we normally take advantage from these levels till these levels, we are more than enough. Now people who wants to take risk and wait and go up, if there is enough strength. If you see, MACD has come halfway up already. I'm not sure when it can turn and go down, and RSI is already at 65, hardly more 15 points is available for us. Okay, so what you can do, so I just exited my position now. So I took it at 353.65 and sold it at 356.41, almost 1% on the stock. Okay, so I just used 10,000 rupees as my capital. So almost 13% profit I have made on this particular stock with in a negative market. So the reason I did this experiment is because it is a little bit risky. Market is against me and I'm taking risk, and I'm not putting my complete capital. I've used only 10,000. I was planning to take 50% of my capital. In case if it goes against me, I will add more shares and get the buy price down. Averaging out I will do. So that's the reason. But for my luck, what I predicted, the point at which I told you, you can take advantage after super trend is done. Now I'm using an Icon-ashi, so I got a clear green lines. So I took a position around 353 here, right? Once it was recovering up, I got to know it's recovering a little bit, so I took the position. So within this swing itself, I booked my positions. Now there are people who try to take advantage from here also. Okay, or more also, but I don't have much guarantee. 50-50, either it can go up or it can come down, because if you see MACD is almost gone up. I'm not sure how much up it can go. It all depends on people's psychology. A lot of millions of brains are working behind it, so I cannot judge them. All I can do is take an advantage. So what we did is the same, and basically in our Telegram channel we will just learn only. Whatever I feel to tell my subscribers, my special people, that is secret group who are opened an account, I'll be sharing with them. There is nothing syllabus or nothing like recommendation or nothing. I will not give that. I will never support that, because I want everyone to be independent and think from their own side. Because if they trade more, it is good for me, because they stay more in the market, it is good for me. So that is the main goal, educating them and making them little bit disciplined, and opening up their mindset and all that. So just a practice and things I just share with them, and sometimes I share anything because it's a closed group type. So anyways, if you're not part of it, you can be a part of it by opening an account. There was an offer, right, in Upstock. You can be part of my Telegram by opening a free account also, or else you can open Zerodha account. If you don't have a Zerodha account, you can open a Zerodha account, the #1 trading account. You can open that. Any both you can open and be part of my secret Telegram channel for lifetime learning and bonding like these, and just advices I keep sharing. Okay, so whenever I'm free only I will share. There is no strict rule that I will share always. But yeah, thank God most of the time I keep sharing. So anyways, where did this go? So good, we booked up profits, little bit of recovery. I mean, it's getting down. The stock can continue to go up also, can be volatile also, but Nifty has not yet hit a super trend. If you see, it is just in that line. It is not taking a proper confirmation. Nifty has to hit a super trend and then go up a little bit. Then most of our buying stock will get advantage. For example, like iBull, I showed you. Now see, iBull is again going up to break out its own high again and again. Alright, so I just wanted to show you. So I didn't have any plan to record the video. Basically, I was doing some experiments and teaching. So in between I felt like, okay, fine, I will share with you guys also, so that you guys also will know what happens in my Telegram channel. Also, you guys will get a better perspective on this particular situation. Every day is a different situation, guys. When you handle all situations, once in a while such situation come, you can know how to handle it. So anyways, thank you so much. If you're liking such videos, hit that like button and support this channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.